Hello everyone. We are solving our series SQL 15. The next question in our SQL 15 series is find followers count. So find follow count. Yeah, this is our next question in our SQL 15 series. So as usual, we understand the problem statement, break that problem statement into small pieces, and that from small pieces we are building queries, small queries, and by combining all small queries to get to the result. That is our process, and we are following the same exact process as usual. Nothing will change. So let's see. The problem name is find follower count, and as you can see on screen, this is labeled as easy. Okay, so even though it's labeled as easy, this is a lot of things we can learn from this question. So let understand the table structure. The table name is followers, and there are two columns: follower ID and the user ID. So write a solution that will for each user return the number of followers. Okay, return the result table ordered by user ID and as in ascending order. So the okay, so do one. I'm copying this input table from here to here. I'm copying it here. Okay, this one. So let's see the user ID and follower ID. So they and as you can see output table, I'm also copying the output table from here to here. Okay, copying this. So user ID 0 having one follower, user ID 1 having okay, a follower ID 0. That okay, follower ID 0 means that is a ID, not a actual count. So one okay, that is uh understandable. Okay, so this is a straightforward question. We are using group by aggregation. We are solving this problem using the aggregation. So let's first of all do uh, select mm, user id and then we will use count at star adds followers count, and from table name is followers followers and group by user id that's it. Let's see. uh, so followers rs followers. Okay, okay, our first test case get accepted. Now we are submitting for the multiple test cases. Okay, let me think. Oh, we are missing one more thing. We are counting 0 user ID having one follower, user ID 1 having one follower, because follower ID will be count. We will counting follower IDs, and user ID 1 having follower ID is follower id is 0. That means we counted one, and follow user id having user id 2 having two followers, that is follower id 0 and 1. So let me break down one thing. So user id, uh, so this question will be no, okay, so I will be explaining one more thing. So user id for the clarification, and total uh, followers, so you will get a better idea. So zero user id having, so how many times zero is appearing, a zero user id appearing only once in user id column, so this will be only one follower, having one follower here. And user id 1 is appearing only one time from use in the user id column, so it will be 1. And also the count the the number of followers for the user id 1 is also 1. And from here, the user id in the user id table, the in the user id table user id 2 appearing two times, that means the count of that followers will be 2. And this is our the answer. But there is also one thing they want us to do. They want us to do this thing. Okay, return the result table order by user id in ascending order. So we will doing here, we're doing order by user id ascending order. That's it they want from us. Now we will submitting it, or we will try to run it first of all, then we try to submit it. Let's see. um okay, okay, I should comment it. Okay, now, okay, our test case get accepted. Now we are submitting for the multiple test cases. Let's see the output. What is the result will it brings? Yeah, this test kit get accepted, and this problem having nearly about 22, yeah, exactly 22 test cases, and our solution successfully passed all that 22 test cases. So this every question from the even it is easy or medium or hard, it will be teaches something to us, right? Reading the problem statement carefully, breaking down the problem statement, and making sense of that problem statement that we break, and build a query from it, and then combining all that small queries together to build the final problem or solution. Okay, so in this problem we learn how to read the problem statement, definitely we break down, and then we build the query on the top of that. And also we learn also how to use group by, and how to count function is working, as I explained here itself. So that is the process, and that is the question, that is our question, and that is the problem, and this is the solution as we write here. And so this is the sql 15, and as name goes, find the follower count. And this is really good. We solved it. So keep coding. Thank you.